it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the New York Sour. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Bourbon, I have here, bullet, simple syrup, red wine, I have here, Pinot Noir from Castle Rock, a lemon, and an egg. This is optional. It's still time, let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a rock splash, a juice squeezer, a jigger, a knife, and a bar spoon. First up, we're gonna roll it. Now what we're gonna do is cut the lemon in half. Squeeze half lemon into the shaker. Grab your simple syrup. Pour 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup into the shaker. Grab your bourbon. Pour 2 ounces of bourbon. Now what we're gonna do is grab our eggs and crack it open. Only add the egg white into the drink. Close your lid. We're gonna dry shake the drink. Add ice. Close the lid. And what we're gonna do is shake the drink one more time. Add ice into our glass. Pour your drink. Grab our red wine. Pour half an ounce of red wine into your jigger. From here, what we're going to do is use our bar spoon and pour the red wine. Squeeze some lemon zest over the drink. And the last step is to garnish with a lemon peel. And there you go, my friends, the New York Sour. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.